There are a few clues of the horrors to come in the opening shots, such as a retractable blade, a lock, and water. Maybe the EAS used things nearby to create its nightmare. There is also an extended version of the short with a much bloodier ending over on Patreon. I have many R-rated or unrated videos over there, and I'm going to be working on some more. I hope you enjoyed the short, and I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes. Please let me know in the comments what else you guys would like to see over here on the second channel. I'll talk to you all soon.